Looking for an easy way to remove unwanted hair at home? Meet the BLITZWAX Wax Hair Removal Kit, your go-to solution for salon quality results without the hassle of appointments or expensive treatments. Stick around to see why this kit is a game changer. Forget messy, painful waxing sessions. The BLITZWAX kit comes with 6 unique wax bead scents: rose, lavender, aloe, jasmine, cream, and cologne, each designed to enhance your experience. Whether you're after a relaxing session or a refreshing feel, there's a scent for everyone. Worried about skin irritation? This hypoallergenic wax formula has been dermatologically tested to be gentle on all skin types, even sensitive skin. Plus, it's free from parabens, formaldehyde, and other harsh chemicals. You can wax with confidence. Getting the perfect wax consistency is key. With the BLITZWAX Digital Wax Warmer, you can control the temperature for smooth application and minimal discomfort. No more overheating or clumpy wax, just effortless hair removal. Tired of stubble after shaving? BLITZWAX removes hair from the root, keeping your skin silky smooth for weeks. Whether it's fine facial hair or thick underarm and bikini hair, this wax grips it all. One kit, endless possibilities. This wax kit is designed for all areas: legs, arms, underarms, face, and even the bikini line. No need for multiple products when you have one that does it all. Looking your best has never been easier. Whether you're preparing for a vacation, a big event, or just want to maintain smooth skin, BLITZWAX ensures you're always ready. Why wait? Get the BLITZWAX Wax Hair Removal Kit today and enjoy professional results at home. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more beauty and self-care tips.